Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video today. So, I feel a little bit better after what happened yesterday with me taking the car home. So, we're going to take it for a drive, we're going to take it for a test, but you guys won't be seeing that. What we're going to go and do is we're going to change Fuming's seats. Now, the reason, in case you guys don't know, the reason why I'm changing Fuming's seats and why I'm throwing more money at the car is because Fuming's driver's seat collapsed. One of the arms that hold the seat up have collapsed, so you're sitting on the piss, basically. So, we're going to be changing those seats over to much better seats. They're supportive, like SRI spec seats, sports seats, basically. Out of a sports interior, which are Recaro seats also, as I found out. So we're gonna go and do them. We're gonna go and fit them, and then I will see you guys back here when I clean them. The only reason why I haven't shown you any footage of why I'm fitting them or me actually fitting them is because we've already seen how difficult it is for me to fit seats, as I shown you guys when I changed the carpet.
Get onto the fucking car! Shit. We will get this car done if it kills me with your car. Sakes. Oh, come on. Oh, you were taking the piss.
Yeah, that wasn't fun. So anyways, we're going to meet back here. I'm going to clean the seats and I'm going to tell you what I think about them. So, stay tuned. We're going to fit Fuming's new seats.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight.
So we've got the new seats in. They look much better. They feel more supported and it's not collapsed. So we just got the steering wheel to do next now. Well, I'm just waiting on a tool for that so we can do it. But these seats stink. I've already cleaned one. It smells a little bit better. I need to do the one I'm sitting in the rears. I need to find it because these are split folding. There's a clip or a bracket that I need, which I binned on my old set to hold everything in, but luckily I've got everything behind in the boot, like a new wheel to replace the buckled one to hold it. So we've got a few bits and bobs to do, but I'm going to make this car smell nice and fresh with these new seats. It feels so much nicer to sit in, nicer to drive now. It's lowered as well, you're not falling out the seats or leaning so much. You feel like you sat back in this thing a lot better. So let's get cracking and sort the rest of Fuming out, and then I'm probably going to go to bed and then probably upload this video later on. Anyways guys, let's get cracking.
I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite guy. Watch it burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but
seats, guys, are coming out pretty good, and what you need to use for this is your quick and easy interior one cleaner for or from Tittlewax. So that is pretty good stuff. Everything feels nice and clean in here. Just needs another vacuum, and then we're good to make sure these are nice and clean. But look at the dirt that's come off these seats, guys. Look at that. That is disgusting. That. All that off of these seats. So I need to do the back of these ones too. So I'll do them, and then we'll go on and move on to the next bit. So now I've done all that, I've put the heaters on full blast, so now it should warm up in there pretty nicely. I put an air freshener in there, new black ice tree, and that should now clean the interior, make the interior smell much nicer. All I gotta do is find one of these, and there's a little bit of corrosion there, I'm just gonna have to tinker around with and sort. This one here is ever so slightly loose. Like that there. So I'll have to find a new thing for that. But first of all, before we do that, I think the car needs a proper wash. Because at the moment, Fuming's a bit filthy, and I don't blame her. But everything's looking pretty good. Got a new spare wheel in there, perfect, because this one buckled, so I'll just let her warm up for a minute. But she does look much better, I think. Much better. Oh, hello. So we're in the car, it smells much nicer, and I've just realised one problem. We're very low on fuel. We're gonna have to go and get some fuel. So anyways, guys, this video will be short to you, but I want to thank you again for your continued support when it comes to Fuming. She is slowly going back into being a good car, and I'm feeling a little bit more confident driving her now, which is a good thing. Best turn her off, save some fuel. We've got another steering wheel that's going to be coming. It's a 3-pin or 3-spoke steering wheel. It's going to go and get checked with Craig tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow, Thursday, for the wheels. Make sure everything is okay. I think what we need to do today with Fuming is done pretty much. They've obviously got rid of the collapsed seat, which is nice. So I'm sitting up properly in the car, which is comfortable. And then also we just need to sort the rear bench out. Also, I need to try and find a hook of some sort. I'm probably going to have to look and see if I can find one off eBay, perhaps. This lockdown again is causing difficulties with Fuming, but everything feels much better.
I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch me burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away.
So I've had Fuming back a couple of days now, and we're still in the same video as what we were earlier. I've missed this car. I think I've got a little bit more comfortable to driving her now. I've gone a little bit less anxious, and I'm worried about her. As you saw in the last video, I was completely bricking it here on DW. But no, Fuming is back. She's got some new seats which feel a lot better, a lot more comfortable. Yeah, I'm happy. Again, I want to thank J&J Breakers for helping me trying to get Fuming back as is, and I also want to thank Craig as well at Monera Tires. He's been fantastic in getting back and getting Fuming back in shape in quick succession. To be fair, J&J Breakers, they supplied me with the axle, as you remember in the last video, and Craig has managed to do a really good job in getting her back on the road. The brakes feel good. Everything seems to be pretty good now. All the noises I could hear in the previous video were all suspension noises, which were already currently there. But no, I'm glad Fuming is back. I'm glad that we didn't crash her either, because we were so close into crashing into something. And I'm surprised we didn't. So I'm glad Fuming is still here with us. To answer the question from what the last video was, no, I'm not selling her. I can't sell her. I've loved this car, and I'd cry to see her go. So anyways, guys, this is just a quick little update after yesterday. I'm happy. Fuming is happy. I'm happy driving her again, and we've got some more plans to do to her. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for your support throughout whatever's gone on with Fuming, and hopefully you guys will stick around and see what else we're going to do to Fuming in the near future. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.
I'm sorry that I stole your car.